Hello Stampers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you my pre-order for the online exclusives, and I wanted to show you how to find them on my website because it's been sort of confusing for some people who aren't real tech savvy. So I have my iPad here, and when I pull up my website, it actually shows up on what's called the rotator. You can rotate through this list, and it's showing up now because they just released some really exciting new sets from Stampin' Up. But if it's not on the rotator, all you have to do is go to the three dots and you click on this button here, which says Online Exclusives. So this one is always here. Oops, so you click on it, and let me zoom back out, and you can see the online exclusives, and you can sort through them. If they're newly released, they say the word new. So some of these are actually kits, which just came out. And there's some really cute new kits that came out like within the last week. But if it's an online exclusive, it's also here and here. So it says new. So these are all brand new ones. And so I went ahead and ordered some of these because I wanted to show them next month in my stamp club because guess what? Our new mini catalog and also our annual catalog is going to retire in a month and a half at the end of April. May 1st, we'll have a new annual catalog that you can order from. But in the meantime, everything that's available in this mini catalog and the annual catalog is up for the retirement list, and we should get that the middle of this month. And so we'll know what's retiring and what's going to stay on. So for my stamp club next month, I decided I wanted to show online exclusives because they aren't retiring yet and they'll still be available. And a lot of times when I show a card from a retiring set, it's no longer available and it's kind of frustrating. So I try not to do that in a retiring month. So I'm going to do online exclusives next month. So this is sort of an online exclusive. It's a kit that they came out with, which is really fun. It's you can make 4 framed pieces of art with this kit. So they have 4 really cute frames. There's the back of it, 6 by 6, and then they have these artwork pieces that you can do. And here is what you can do. I will probably show a video on this, and I may step it up even, but it's called the Happy House Plants Kit, and I just couldn't resist. It's so cute. I'm a big plant person, so I thought this would look really cute with my house plant displays that I have. So that's an online exclusive. It's a kit. And then otherwise, they have stamp sets and dies and embossing folders. The big one that I got was the Latte Love bundle. Actually, I didn't. Maybe I did get the sweet. I got a lot of it. So I got that, Latte Love, and I got the dies. I hope they're in here. There they are, Latte Love dies, which are really cute. Haven't even opened them yet because I just opened the box today. I just got it. And this makes all kinds of cute things. It cuts out the cups, so you can make coffee or tea or hot cocoa with the set. But you can do carafes with these dies. You can do all kinds of things. I've seen a lot of videos on these, and they're super cute. They make really cute backgrounds. So I'm looking forward to sharing a video of that. And then there's Coordinating Designer Series paper, which is really cute. And I'm looking forward to doing some stuff with that. And the last thing is this super cute ribbon. Look at that. How cute is that? It's natural ribbon. Even if you didn't get this bundle, you really should get this ribbon because it's so cute. It's only available as an online exclusive. And then last but not least, these adhesive back swirl dots, which sadly are no longer available until April, which means you can't buy the suite until April, but everything else is available. And these swirl dots are very cute. See if I can get a close close in of it. Look at that. Very cute. So yeah, there's the Latte Love bundle. Looking forward to playing with that in my next stamp club, which is the first Friday of April. All right. So then they also had this really cute glimmer paper, Berry Burst, Old Olive, and White. And it was actually pretty cheap. I can't remember. It was under $10, and you get 6 sheets. It was really closer to the $5 than $10 range. Well, you get 3 sheets. So, but a little goes a long way. You don't really want to use a ton of this on your card. You just want to use it as accent and bling. And I've been slowly collecting all the different colors they've been coming out with, and this is the latest offering that they have. Now, this paper does curl. I don't know if you can tell on the screen, it curls up. So what I like to do is just put something heavy on top of it, and it flattens it. And when I'm ready to use it, then it's nice and flat. So that's very fun, the glimmer paper. Here's some really nice phrases that are available, and mostly just about cancer and feeling better and wishing you comfort. And I just think it's going to be a nice set for, sadly, for some of my friends. And, you know, it's hard to know what to say when somebody's going through a really hard time. So it's nice just to have a phrase that you can stamp and then just say, I love you. And so this stamp set gives you the opportunity to do that. So really recommend that. The Dazzling Droplets, I just couldn't resist it. It's a background set, and I actually have a card planned out for next month that I'm going to be using. The Darling Details stamp set, which I actually happen to have right here, which they actually showed on the online exclusives. They showed a card with it, which is actually what made me decide to buy this, because it was just so cute. And so I'm excited about that. And these really cute embossing folders. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Very cute patterns, and looking forward to playing with those. They are the smaller ones. So they don't do a full-size card, so you either have to run your paper through twice or just use a little strip. And honestly, with such, it's kind of a busy background. That's the size of them. They're, what, about 3 by 6, I think. Honestly, you don't probably want to do your whole background in this anyway, so it's fine that it's a smaller size, and it does work in the mini embossing and cutting machine. So that's nice to have the smaller ones for that too, because that embossing machine is so transportable. And then last but not least, this actually came in a bundle, but I just got the dies because they were really cheap. And Happy Little Things dies, and they're really nice for sentiments. So they're just little elements that you can add to your card. Or I think they even showed a card where they just did a whole card cutting out different colors of these on the website. It was very cute. So I'm sure I'll be doing some fun stuff with that as well. So check out the online exclusives if you haven't already. Now is the time to order them. You know, when they first came out with the online exclusives, I was a little hesitant to order from them as a demonstrator, because I thought, well, this might not really be a good investment, because they don't really say how long they'll be on there, the online exclusives. There's really no promise. It's just get it while you can. But I've noticed that some of the more popular stuff that they have has lasted up to a year. And so really that's as long as an annual catalog, and really who could ask for more? So I don't feel too nervous now about ordering online exclusives, and I just get what I really like. And really that's what I do for all my stamp stuff now. I just get what I really like and what I'll use, and encourage you to do the same. So thank you for watching this short little video, and have a nice day.